Have you ever wondered what the future of art and image creation could look like in the age of artificial intelligence? Imagine having the power to convert your thoughts into stunning visuals. Now that's no longer just a figment of sci-fi imagination, but a reality, thanks to AI. First, meet DALL-E 2 by OpenAI, a pioneering force in this realm. It has the uncanny ability to convert text prompts into realistic images and artworks, transforming the way you explore creative concepts. Next in line is Stable Diffusion, a resident of Hugging Face's platform. Not only can it generate images from text, but it also offers the flexibility to modify existing images based on textual prompts. Think of it as a Swiss Army knife for creative image manipulation. Then there's Midjourney, a unique AI art generator that operates via a Discord channel. Despite being in beta and limited to 25 queries, it offers a refreshing approach to AI-driven art creation, giving you 4 different visual options based on a text prompt. PixArt is another contender, offering a wide array of styles for image generation. From surreal landscapes to abstract portraits, it caters to various artistic expressions, making it an accessible option for those dipping their toes into the world of AI-generated imagery. Playground AI takes user-friendliness up a notch with its intuitive interface. It lets users create and share art by entering descriptions and selecting styles. Plus, it offers a choice between Stable Diffusion and DALL-E 2 models for your creations, enhancing its versatility. Dream Studio, leveraging the Stable Diffusion model, is another platform for generating images from text. It offers an enticing incentive of 200 free credits upon sign-up, providing a straightforward platform for exploring AI-generated art. Lastly, meet Wombo.art, an app that simplifies the process of creating art from text prompts. It offers options to mint your created artworks as NFTs or print them on canvas, catering to both digital and physical art enthusiasts. In summary, these AI tools are revolutionizing the art and image creation landscape, each with its unique features and capabilities. They're not only enabling users to explore the bounds of their creativity, but also bringing their visual imaginations to life. The future of art, it seems, is here, and it's powered by AI.